accused of murder.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us for Chron 4 News at 8 o'clock. I'm Ken Wayne.
And I'm Pam Moore. California's Department of Public Health making an important reopening announcement. Face masks will not be required in most settings for those fully vaccinated.
The state will adopt this guidance next Tuesday. Exceptions include public transit, K-12 schools, healthcare settings, and homeless shelters.
And again, this is for fully vaccinated people. Those not fully vaccinated will still be required to wear their masks in other settings as well. This comes as vaccinations in the state surpass 65% and as the state gets ready to fully reopen.
More than 18 million people have been fully vaccinated in California. Nearly 4 million people more have been partially vaccinated.
So
we have live team coverage
We
tonight.
have live Chron 4 team coverage tonight on the state's mask mandate getting lifted and the workplace changes being considered by Cal OSHA. We begin with Michelle Kingston, who is live with the major announcement from California health officials. Michelle.
Well, it's a day that so many people have been waiting for in just a matter of days. If you're fully vaccinated, you can walk into most businesses here in the state of California without that mask, but only if the businesses you're walking into are okay with it.
I'm ready to reopen. I'm excited, and I can't wait.
It's been more than a year since people ate inside the San Francisco Creamery in downtown Walnut Creek. Owner Terry Wong says he's not reopening his doors until after the mask mandate is lifted next week. And even then, he'll continue to limit capacity.
That first day, just going to be so much going on that, we don't want to just throw the doors open and, add more confusion for our staff.
State health officials announced Wednesday afternoon that masks are not required for fully vaccinated people beginning June 15th, unless they're on public transit or in transportation hubs, inside a K-12 school or other child care center, in healthcare settings or in homeless shelters. Those who choose to remain unvaccinated must continue to wear a mask in all indoor public settings like retail shops, restaurants, and theaters.
We've done, as Bay Area wide, we've done a really admirable job of keeping this from getting wildly out of control.
Businesses may choose to require everyone to continue wearing masks. They also may implement vaccine verification, or they may allow those who are vaccinated to self-attest that they are in compliance to enter. The San Francisco Creamery is going with the honor system.
I'm going to assume that the people not wearing a mask are already vaccinated, and hopefully, that'll keep everyone safe.
Now, Dr. Rutherford says he doesn't expect to see a rise in cases next week when things open back up and you can take that mask off because our vaccination rate is so great here in the Bay Area. So you should feel comfortable, he says, if you're fully vaccinated, to take that mask off and head into a restaurant or to the theater. Back to you.